Welcome, Kunjan. Class 2, lesson number 1. Fool. Fool means flower. Or we say suman. And we already know the name Pushpa. Pushpa is all the similar name of fool. Flowers. Flowers, another name of flowers, suman on this. Before go to the poems, we discuss the basic questions. Fool kahan kilte hain. Kilte means bloom. Where the flowers are bloomings. Means starting out flowerings. So where the flowers are flowering in the gardens and the forest, sea, mountains, etc. फूल किस रंग के होते हैं? What are the colors in the flowers are? What are the colors in the flowers are? Flowers are the all the colors except the black. काला के अलावा सभी रंग में होते हैं. बंक वाले तितलियां कहाँ कहीं मंडराते हैं. मंडराते means hovering around of the top of the object. Round top of the object is hoverings. So bangware means bees. Bees, black bees are bees. Titlian, you know, yes, titlian, butterfly. Titlian, butterflies. So where the flowers are, where the bees and butterflies hoverings. The bees and butterflies are hovering against on the top of the flowers. So these poems teach the lesson learn some things from the flowers. The poet portrait. What are the good qualities we are going to learn from the flowers? Full jagat ke hain hum pyare. We are the flowers of the world. Hum प्यारे फूल जगत के. हम जगत के प्यारे फूल हैं. We are the flowers of this world. Jagat means world. रूप रंग में न्यारे. We are unique. We are unique in the different. Unique by the shape and colors. Roop means shape, rank means colors. So we are the flowers of this world, and then we are different colors and shapes. As a humans, as a child, we are the flowers of the world. So how the flowers, what is the work of the duty of the flowers? The poet says, हमारा काम है मुस्कुराना. काम means work. Our work, our duty is laughing, smiling. We always in the smiling space. Sundar as padas banana. We make that surround beautiful. Sundar means beautiful. So we make our surround beautiful. Bhayangre gana suna chahte hain. The flowers, the bees. We hear the song of bees. Jahan hame phuna paate hain. Where we can blooming up. We hear the song of the bees and where we can bloom up. So we are the flowers. We are the different in the colors and shapes. Our duty is to be smile and be beautify the surround. So this is a poem written by the Srinath Singh. Now come to that book exercise. Jagat means sanskar world, Sansar world. Nyare means alag, unique. Gana, sing. Pula, khila hua, bloom. Prem, pyar, love. Ala means best. So now roop, shape. Pyare, love. Bainkare, bongre. Bees, honey bees like a black bees. Swabha, beauty. Bedbha, difference, discriminations. So now come to that question answer. मौखिक वर्ग. 5 फूलों के नाम बताइए. Say the 5 flowers names. There is no place, so I am come to that whiteboard. Here I am writing gulab, Gulab, rose, you know that. Yes, gulab, rose, chameli, chameli, jasmine, kamal, yes, kamal, lotus, kamal, lotus, Suryamukhi, sunflower, Suryamukhi, sunflower, Genda, Genda, marigold, marigold. So these are the five fruits and flowers names. Full आपस आस पड़ोस को कैसे सुंदर बनाते हैं. The food, the flowers are how the flowers are made beautified in the surround. In the surround आसपास आस पड़ोस surround. So how it's it? By smiling. मुस्काने से. मुस्काने से. मुस्काने. It's in that lesson itself. Poem itself. मुस्काना. मुस्काना से. मुस्काना. मुस्काना से. Instead of this kaise, you write that muskana se. Mala kaise banti hai. Mala kaise banti hai. How the garlands made up of. Garlands are made up of by the gatherings. Ek banate. हम मिलकर हम मिलकर फूलों का मेल से फूलों का मेल से फूलों का मेल मेल से by the gathering of flowers. By the gathering of flowers. So instead of this kaise, you write that फूलों का मेल से. Next written question answer. बैरों कहाँ गान सुनाते हैं. बैरे कहाँ गान सुनाते हैं. Where the bees are singing song. Where the bees singing songs. Bees singing songs in the gardens. कहाँ garden बगीचे में वन में वन वन में पहले वन में फूल किसे दूर भगाते हैं. What the flowers are away there. What the flowers keep away that. What the flowers keep away that. The flowers keep away the discriminations. Away the discriminations. So instead of this किसे भेद भाव भेद भेद भाव को भेदभाव को दूर भगाते हैं. यह कविता हमें क्या संदेश देते हैं. What the message this lesson, this poems give us. What the message the poem give us. The message, the poem give the message as that ye to be smile always. Ye keep smile always and live together and make their surround happy, make their surround beautiful. So here I am writing. यह कविता हमें सदैव मुस्काना सदा मुस्काना मिलजुल कर रहना. You always be in smile and to be in gatherings. That's all. ये कविता हमें ये संदेश देता है. संदेश संदेश देती है. Next, take the correct answer. फूल रूप रंग में कैसे होते हैं? How the flowers are in that shape and colors. The fools are the flowers, the रूप रंग by the color and shape. The flowers are unique. न्यारे means unique. सूरज जैसे like a sun, like a bees. Bauram means bees. You know that. Suraj means sun. हर हाल में कौन मुस्कुराता है? Who is smiling in the every situation? Call, halat, both are the same meaning. Situation, same meaning. Situation. Situation. Call means situations. So the flowers. Oh, see this flowers. So चित्र देखकर कविता की पंक्तियां लिखो. This is a B Bora. This is a B Bora. So the Bora lines, these two lines you copy here. Which two lines? Bauram gan जुना सुना जाते हैं जहां हम फूल पाते हैं, फूला पाते हैं. These two lines you copy here. This place and this mala garlands. These are mala garlands. Mala, the mala two lines. एक पाठ प्रेम का पढ़ते आलस, एक बनाते हम मिल माला. These two lines you write in the place of garlands, malas. These two lines you write the place of Bauran. Next one more value added questions. फूल हमें क्या क्या सिखाते हैं? What the flowers are teachers. सिखाते means teach. So you put the smiley face for that right ones. So मिलजुल कर here there that third jars I am writing is miswriting here that the fourth jars. So write, change it. Julkar. So this is a return to gatherings. Always being happy. Be proud. Command means pride or proud. Don't be proud. सबसे प्रेम करना. You love everyone's. So this tick mark you put that smiley face. This one you put the saddy face. So I hope you maybe understand. You have any questions or worries? Please comment it. Thank you very much.